Friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix unable to reset problem in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you are also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, open your command prompt. Then right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Here you copy and paste some commands. These commands available on my video description. Copy and paste here. First command copy, then paste here. Hit enter. Then copy second command, paste here. Hit enter. And copy third and last command. Then hit enter. After copy and paste all commands, close this window. Restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.